Oh, hi, hello, good afternoon. I just want to share with you what I'm doing today. I'm making a vegetable soup. What I have here is some sliced carrots with some ginger. I have here some red onions, tomatoes, and what I have here also is some eddos with some cassava cut up. So all this is going to be going in there, and it's going to be boiled and cooking for like 20 minutes until it's softened. And I'm going to be adding some salt, black pepper, and my usual Mrs. Dash seasoning. And so today is going to be vegetable soup. That's what we're going to be having for dinner because I'm trying to cut back on meat and stuff like that. So this is going to be a simple soup today. Has some ginger. It's going to give it a nice spice to it. A nice heat to this soup here. And I'm going to go ahead and just pour all of this eddos and this cassava in there. Put that in there with the red onions. And just stir this up a little bit. Then I'm going to be adding some Mrs. Dash. Salt free, by the way. Some in there. And you could put a little bit of olive oil if you want in this soup, which I will be later when I'm done when it's nearly finished cooking. Put some garlic salt. Black pepper. Black pepper, and also what I have here is some chili powder, and all this is going into this soup here. But I mean, guys, you can just add whatever you want in here. So I'm gonna let this cook till the vegetables become soft. It's a nice hearty vegetable soup for some of you out there who's vegetarian, doesn't eat meat. This is a very good, you could make this ahead. You know, if you're a busy mom or you're working long hours, you can make a big pot of this and just leave it in the fridge. When you come home, just put it in, warm it up, and have a nice bowl of soup, vegetable soup. What I also have here is some fresh cauliflower, which I'm going to be cutting up, and I'm going to put some cheese on here and olive oil and just put it in the oven and let it bake nice and golden. So you'll see how that's going to come out. Okay guys, this is the cauliflower here. I steamed it for like 5 minutes, drain it, put it in here. Pyrex, I cut up some garlic and some onions. I seasoned it, and I'm going to put some olive oil in it, and I'm going to put it in the oven and bake it for like, I would say 10 minutes, because it needs to have the little crunch, still crunch on it. So here it goes in the oven. I'll leave that in there for bake for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, no more than that. Come out nice and brown, and then we're gonna. So guys, here we go. Here is this vegetable soup finished now. And you see it's nicely cooked there. All the stuff is cooked up there. And what I'm gonna add to this now, this is basically finished. I use a pressure cooker to do this. And I'm gonna add some chopped parsley here into this mixture here. And there we go. That's your vegetable soup. You can use potatoes with this as well. But I'm using ground earthly vegetables that I know about from back home. In Guyana, this is eddos and cassava. So there we go. That's your vegetable soup with Vegetarian vegetable soup. Carrots, onions, cassava, and edibles. Bon appetit.